Okay, so we're going to turn our division tag header underscore buttons to a actual buttons. Okay, so highlighted this part. I don't need the, the, the tag. I just need the wording over there. Okay, and click over here, new, paste header buttons. And then we're going to make it into a header. So first we're going to set the sizes, which is the width would be 280 and then height would be 50 pixels. Okay, alright, so you can apply a background colors. Okay, since it is gray, and then you change once to 0.5 for the opacity. Okay, so click applied, so you will have the range of opacity. From block, text align center. Okay, and then you can increase the font size. Okay, so that it becomes suitable. Okay, so we have applied a okay. Alright, so you already made these changes. A button color. Okay, so button color and the text adjustment. Alright, so what we're going to do after this is we're going to make into a header button A. Alright, so for CS6, what you must do is that we're going to put over there header button A, open and close. So if you look into here, this is what I type over there. So if you type this coding properly, so you will have it over there. So you can make adjustment towards your margin. So increase your margin on the top. Okay. Okay, so for the header button, we're going to make some adjustments to the read more, so it will place right in the middle of the button. So you can go back over here to header buttons, double click and apply a padding on the top. So if you put a 20 pixel of padding, so it will give some spacing between the alignments of the border of the buttons with the so we don't want the okay. So once you've done that, okay, apply it. Okay, so now the alignment of the button is nicely placed like in the middle. So you can see over there, when I click over there, inside the box is called a padding. Okay, so for the next adjustment, we're going to create a header button A, open and close. So this one that I type, you can see is this. Okay, header button A. So from header button A, you can make adjustments towards the actual fonts over there. So text decoration none to delete the outlines, and then you can change the font accordingly. Okay. Right, so you can save all. Okay, so if you preview your file, okay, so the next one is we can make adjustment towards the position of header button. So this one is under header button. Click on positioning, absolute. From the left is from the left is 38%. Sorry, it's 38%. And then from the top is 400 pixels. Okay, so if we make the adjustment accordingly, place, okay, so it's nicely placed over there, right in the middle of the content. Okay, so if you want to reduce down the placement, so will be the place over there, maybe we can put over there 350 to make it closer towards the towards the button. Alright, so since the background color is applied over there, so we can apply some interactivity with header button. Okay, hover, open that, so we can change the color of the button while it's hovering. Okay, so we can change the background color to lighter gray. So preview your file. By right, when you move on, it will change the color accordingly. Okay, one more thing that we can make adjustment is the color of the hyperlink that we can see over there. Since we already have the properties of a header underscore button A, which is here, so you can just double click to make your edit and change the color to white color. Okay, so it's changed color to white. Save all your file, we preview, and there you have it. Okay, so that's how you want to make a placement of in terms of the content. So we have made two adjustments towards our content, which is the content over here and the button that you can see. Okay, so it's not a workable button yet, okay, because it does not have any kind of hyperlink. So this is just a dummy link. Okay, what you see over there is just a dummy link. Right, so once we already made the adjustment, by right you guys should apply these principles towards all the other content. Okay, so I want you guys to digest this one first, and then you have another part 2 where we're going to make adjustment towards the content using margin, and then there will be for different criteria of our content. So I want you guys to try this one first, and then submit your tutorial down below. Alright.